amigos, bienvenidos. Today we are going to learn vowels in Spanish and pronunciation of vowels. Note that the vowels in Spanish have different sounds from those of English. Like English, in Spanish also there are 5 vowels. So let's see the pronunciation of these vowels. For A, it's A. For E, it's A. For I, it's E. For O, it's O. For U, it's U. Now let's see the pronunciation of vowels in a word. A as in father. E as in pen. I as in feet. O as in O. And U as in food. Note that the vowels in Spanish always have the same sound, which means they do not change no matter what consonant or other vowel they are preceded or followed by. Next topic is vowels with tilde. Other than normal vowels, we have vowels with tilde in Spanish. In Spanish, an accent mark over one vowel of some word indicates that the vowel is stressed. Means when you are using tilde letters, then you have to stress that word in pronunciation. Although the pronunciation of normal vowel and the vowel with tilde is same, but in vowels with tilde, you have to stress that letter in that word, in that particular word when you are using the tilde letter. So keep that thing in mind. Now let's practice some question. Listen to the following set of vowels and try to get the correct answer. So first one is O, A, E. O, A, E. Can you identify the group of vowel being said? Yes, the correct one is third one. Next is E, A, E. E, A, E. Now can you identify the group of vowel being said? Yes, again the correct answer is third one. So next question is A, E. A, E. Can you identify the group of vowel being said? Yes, the correct one is second one. Next is A, E, A. A, E, A. Now can you identify the group of vowel being said? Yes, the correct answer is fourth one. Let us now practice more question. Listen to the following sequences and make sure you identify each vowel sound. So listen to me and try to identify the vowel before it appears on screen. So first one is A, A. A, A. So answer is this. Did you get it correct? I hope you did. Next one is A, E. A, E. So answer is this. Next one is A, O. A, O. Answer is this. Next is U, O. U, O. So answer is this. Next one is, and the last one, A, E. A, E. So the answer is this. I hope you all have got the correct answer for this question. So that's all for today, and in my next video I'm going to continue with the pronunciation of consonant. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends, and do subscribe my channel. Ciao amigos, hasta pronto!